$7 today, and another $7 today, and another $7 today, 4.71, $1, $25, $1. These are the payment flow on this website. People are making money every single day. You can say that you can make $7 in a minute or in a day, whatever this task pay you every 2 minutes, every hour, but it's depend on your activity, in your method. But this site, it definitely pay you guys. In average, you get paid around $3 or $4 or $7. It depend on the country that you are living in, and different countries have a different payment system. For example, if you are living in United States and Canada, that's a tier 1, you get paid around $7. Australia is $4. In Middle East, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, you get paid around $4, and the rest of the country like India or UK or Europe, you get paid around $3. So before we get to the video, I will show that you can make money. Don't look at that. That's money from different tasks I'm doing online, and you can get paid around different amount every single day. You look at the £7 here and the £7 here. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how what website that you can do that and make money, and the 2 simple methods that you can utilize to make money. Those 2 methods are free traffic that you can utilize and to make money. And if you really like our video, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to click the like button so if you really like our video. So basically, what this site is, this site allow you to share a file. Basically, what is it? You upload a document and share with your followers, or not only followers, you can publish that in a website or social media, any other platform, and you can publish as a link or banner. When the people click and download that file, and you get paid for that. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about where you can get the file and how you can publish it in using free traffic and everything. So please guys, continue to watch that video. Now this website is called Up-Forever. I put the link in the description. Go and check it out. They allow you to, it's a cloud platform. They allow you to upload a file into their servers. Don't upload your personal document over there. This is not Outlook or any other cloud software that you can use it privately. This is a public cloud. Basically, you have to upload a document to share with your followers and visitors, and when they click and download that document, you get paid for that. Now this is the front page. It's easy to sign up. They don't require anything, email and a PayPal address for you to transfer the money. If you don't have a PayPal, or you can use one of these methods to transfer the money from them. They have Western Union, Bitcoin, Skrill, and Pioneer, and other platform that you can use to withdraw that money. Now this is the basic simple idea. This, if you go to the dashboard, this is your dashboard gonna look like. Now they give you after 120 gigabyte of space that you can upload that document. There is all the section you can use understand. Basically, this is the section is called My File, where you can find all the files that you upload. There's a report section. You can get all the idea about all the idea of the number of click, number of download happen in your site, to get more up to date with that. So if I can click and show you that, this is going to look like this page. Also, you can refer people like affiliate program, and you get paid for that too. Now this is the way, and if you click make money, that will show all the payment flow. I think yes, all the payment flow and how you can make money from that. Now what I'm going to show you guys is the section is called here. So first I talk about how you can upload the file and everything. Then I will talk about how you can promote that file using a free traffic. Now once you come to here, the section is called, in the front you have to go to your dashboard, and there's a section called upload file. I can find it out here. There's a called upload file. If you use that, you can upload any file that you want. As long as it's PDF, it will convert best. So you click here and choose the file, and it will open like this one. Then if you click this one, it will open another page. It will give you all the download link and HTML code and everything. So not this one, and it's gonna look like this one. You your file is uploaded here, and if you see, this is your download link. This is the thing you're going to share with your friends and your followers, and this is the code for the forums, and this is the HTML code that you can put it in your website. All right, then there's a short link that you can share with your YouTube video if you make a relevant content. Now I wish to talk about where you can get those documents for free. Okay, it is easy to make money, but you need something, and you need to give something to your viewers and followers in order to make money, so they come and click and download that. This is where this one come to play. It's called freeplrdownload.com. Now people are promoting IDPLR on the other side. Yes, they have a highly quality free ebook, but after 2-3 downloads you need to buy a subscription, otherwise, or package, otherwise you can't download those free ebook. But in this site, freeplrdownload.com, you can download all relevant ebook for free. You don't have to sign in, you don't have to do anything. They will give a zip file, then you extract the file and you can easily download that file. Now you have the file is downloaded and the file already uploaded into Up Forever, is ready to share. What you have to do, you need to copy this link here and go to the section. The first website is called Facebook. Now onto the Facebook, go and search, because I'm sharing health fitness related ebook, I'm gonna share like fitness, health and beauty group. I find a relevant group on the category, on the niche. I found this group. Now I share the link. Some of the group is free to join, some of them you need to get permission, like the group or page. You join that multiple page and relevant document that you uploaded in the Up Forever, then share the link with inside the group. Okay, this is one of the page I joined and share the link. When the people click this one, it will open another page. Under the intersection, if they download that file, I get paid for that. Now there's a different section. They had to install Up Forever software in order to download the file. If they go through with that, you get paid, because people are saying that, because once they click the document, you are not going to make the money, because it's not click and earn, it's download and earn. Okay, so when you click that, this file will open up. Under the section is called free download. If they click, the software will open up. They have to download the Up Forever software, then they get easily download that file. Now if they have created a freemium account, then they can download it online. This is going to happen. Now this is the first way to promote. You have a billions of traffic every single month that you can use to promote your ebook for free, and you get paid to download. This is the first one. The second one is Instagram. Because I have a fitness related page, I am fan page, I can promote my link. Now I have a multiple fitness related ebook. I can't just put everything in my bio section, so that's why this one come to play. It's called Bio FM. There's free landing page generated that you can use to share multiple link with that. Now I have copied the link from Up Forever. I'll come to this section and add a new page. Because I have two of them, I created one for other video. You can go and check it out. But the lesson you learned from fitness class. So for example, click edit, and it will take you to this page. This is the page I created for Up Forever, and this is the page Up Forever link. You can see here, and add the blog and publish it, and your landing page is available on Instagram. Now again, click the link in the bio description. It will take you to the landing page where you can identify, or you can see the link in the bottom. Now if they click the link, and again it will open up the page where they get downloaded, I get paid for that, guys. So very basically simple. You get the document, you download the document, okay, from IDPL or any other ebook, or you have own ebook, whatever, then upload it to Up Forever and share with your friends, or you make a relevant video, publish it on the YouTube and put the link in the description or in comment section. People can click and download it, or you can share it on social media, or if you have email list, you can share with it, or if you have a website, that you can put it in the bottom of the website using HTML code. And now this is won't replace your 9 to 5 job, but this is the best way to make on the site. When the people started download your ebook, you can make money from that, Again, it won't happen overnight. It will happen once you set it up. It will happen tomorrow or day after tomorrow or month later, but it definitely happen. But you need to get the correct ebook or file to share, and you need to find the proper traffic. Or on the Facebook, you need to find the proper page to you can get the traffic from, or Instagram. If you have an Instagram page, you can upload it there, or you can use or you can find influencer on Instagram and to promote your link, and when they can get when the viewers from that page click and download your document, you get paid for that download. Thanks guys for watching my video. Again, if you really like my video, subscribe, like, and don't forget to like my video, and see you in the next one.